Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today's video is part of Funtime Friday collab, and this is hosted by Broke Girl Aesthetic, and her name is Tiffany, and her co-hosts are Dee from Designer's Loft and Sule from My Style, My Colors. So if you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. So this is the final result of my spring topiary. So I'm so excited about this project, you guys. So these are like Easter eggs. I just covered it up with hydrangeas, the pink color ones. If you can see the bottom of the pink egg. Yes, so I just stuck those hydrangeas all around those beautiful pink color egg. And I just wanted to create a topiary from Easter eggs. And this is something from the stem of the bouquet. And I used all the flowers and I removed the leaves and then I twisted it and then I created like a base for the topiary. And I stuck one of the lace ribbon just to decorate it. And these are tiny flower pots from Dollar Tree. And I stuffed some styrofoam and some Spanish moss on top of it. So this is one of the cute Easter / spring topiary, floral ones. So another topiary that I created with floral moss, I just stuck the floral moss on one of the Easter eggs. And also I did the same thing. This tiny flower pot I just filled with styrofoam and then some more floral moss. And then these are some of the chopsticks that I stuck together, and one of them burlap ribbon as a bow. Then I stuck my topiary on the top. I'm very excited about this project, you guys, so let me know your thoughts on this and which one is your favorite, and you have any suggestions towards my channel. And I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.